Hello and welcome. My name is John Cassie Rice. I'm the principal trainer on the NLP practitioner. And what is exciting, we've got an NLP practitioner starting soon. So do head over to the website, nlpcourses.com, and get yourself on it. I'd love to meet you in person. Right, so what we've been doing for the last couple of days is thinking about this. Little changes can lead to big results. Habitual in the way that we talk and habitual in the way that we move creates habitual thinking and therefore habitual results. So we've been making little changes. And first off, we started from crossing our arms the other way, which can feel a bit strange. And then we also was sort of cleaning our teeth. If we're right-handed, we're going to clean it with our left hand. And if we're left-handed, we're going to clean it with our right hand. And we also sign our name. So today, let's again do something that's different. So if you're going to go out and maybe you go to work on the same route every day, or you walk the dog and you go the same route every day, what I'd like you to do is go a completely new, different direction. So if it's to work, it may be a longer route, but take it. If you going into town or visit relatives or friends, go a route you've never been before. And if you walk the dog and you always go out the house and you turn left, turn right. See if you can find a new pathway. Will going in a different direction have an effect on our thinking? So this little experiment is to do something different every day just for change, so that it can lead to possibly a bigger transformation down the line. Love to hear how this experiment's going for you, and also any suggestions you've got for doing something different. And remember, we're keeping it small and easy to manage. And even if you do it once a day, you've succeeded. So, comment in the comment box below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this little experiment, and I'll look forward to talking to you soon. See you soon.